Yeah, PettiFoger here, and we're kind of hungry. And it's like 2:15 at night. We are hungry, so we're basically gonna make a pickle. We're gonna make a pickle, fried, and put it on a sandwich. Here we go. I hope we don't burn the house down. So we got the pan going, and here's the pickle. Now let's put some pickle on that gross, really gross pan. Yes. The goal is to not make that much noise, because people are sleeping, because it's 2:15 in the morning. Yes. So yeah. Here we go. It's sizzling. Looking good, I guess. Yeah. Oh, dude, this is like, it stinks pretty bad. I want to know if I was doing this at home. Dang, it stinks really bad. It's not exactly cooking.
Yeah, it's not really making any progress
at all.
Well, it needs to be hotter, and it's gonna take a little bit.
Fried pickle. Fried out pickle. Fried out pickle. Fried out pickle. Fried out pickle. I'm gonna go Miley Cyrus on this thing.
Don't.
I came in like I'm frying a pickle. We have touched down, guys. Progress right there. Yes. Yes. We just fried a pickle on a pan with some butter. And now we're going to put it on that epic sandwich with some hot sauce and crap. So yeah.
I think we'll put it on a sandwich. I think we should eat it raw.
It'll be tasty.
We should eat it raw.
Just like we'll eat it raw.
We'll let it settle and we'll put hot sauce on it.
Alright.
It'll be spicy.
That'll be good. That'll be real good. Alright. Frank's Red Hot. I put that on everything. If I can open it.
We can open this.
Remember, we're trying not to make noise. We're still that's on. Okay.
This really is not. Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That doesn't look tasty.
Let's do it. Alright. We're about to eat.
Not yet.
In a second.
Is it on?
Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna eat the fried pickle. Then I can't even break it.
How does it taste?
Yeah.
It sounds pretty good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna attempt to eat this whole thing for you guys.
You better view this video. This should be a new challenge, like the fried pickle challenge.
Oh yeah.
Guys,
Here we go, guys. This big piece right here. A lot of hot sauce on the bottom. Here we go.
oh my god. How spicy is it? How spicy is it?
Oh, it's fucking spicy.
Oh my god. If you guys want to ever try eating a fried pickle with Frank's
Red Hot. And some butter.
And butter. Go challenge your friends to do the fried pickle challenge.
Can I challenge some of you guys right there at home, sitting at home like a loner watching this? Get up and go outside.
No, but then you could watch more videos of us.
Alright. Yeah, watch more videos of us.
Then go outside.
Okay. Mason doing his turn
I'm
of the fried pickle challenge.
Because I don't like spicy. It's not too bad. I mean,
Oh, dude, I had spicy side. Let's eat it.
I am. I gotta take small bites.
Oh my god, it's gonna take
It's
forever.
good if you take small bites.
got like chills.
I know, right? Come on, bro. Finish it.
I don't want to do this. I was hungry. I'm not hungry anymore.
I'm kind of still hungry.
I'm not hungry.
I could go for another pickle.
I could go for another pickle. Let's see some pickle. I'm just kidding.
Did it?
Mhm. That's spicy.
Yeah.
More spicy than I thought it would be.
PettiFoger signing out. We just ate a fried pickle.
Comment if you're actually watching this video,
And like and subscribe.
and
Gotta do my hair.
comment what we should fry next.
Seriously.
If
It's
you
really
if you
good.
want us to fry other stuff and you actually like these videos.
So yeah, we might start even another channel of cooking. Like PettiFoger's cooking channel. Like, you never know what we can do. Yeah. Yeah. I just ate a freaking fried pickle.